Binavalevu waturang sa chiko Sabeto, usana ng turang na tu Sabeto, nabuno sa waturang Betoro Rau. Chiko sa talanga na turang taltala, chiko sa nikua, chiko sa turang na marama, tamay do masachio na kaya na may ndola bisa chiko na cold chain facility nabuno sa kao Sabeto. Gosa ka na matay sa kani to na beba torta kia daka basa kana matentu me sangai me tanto la basa kina na kena bangata ki sa ngeli na bulao January na baksaoti ki to ale dua na mbosi ata mai kina mburritu mai ra karala ko de kina na do tete mai ra mai ra le vitalano chiwika me ambalata na kia na sanga indone tibungo na kaupi se na mbora sa tibuna ni vitalano e utukuna ni na matentu na sanga mai bakokoa me kau mai na ite io sanga endo chuna lenga kia na ite ya sanga tu sanga kito vitalano pat kina matentu o India na bulo September sanga ya do me kina na ite o tia saramay titi ni ra ka samoro tel chiksone iti mengiti na bingo. Ngai bulo November sa wakaweni na iti me wakaweni i Australia wateke New Zealand. Ngo na matay ni ngona na matintu. Menduanga na iti me kau nga may endo na baki me sa wakau teleni na baki nga tikina. Nandurong wa da berton tamati iti. Sanga itu na painapi sotalete ndom bala bombala tenendo levuna kair ndo bina katame na matentu mai tai yo koengo satu citu na vendin dinati ke to sare da uci era sarani saka uci nga me proses me saka wen ko yana kena roro matai ni te nga me te ka pako ni balangi na kaupi ko ya ke to me da kapchuna baksauci yongo sando talena itosto sobu ni sa damerida na kena sana baro tabu dital ni ko me sana bako ni Australia na kaupi me baka na sa chiku talanga na kantango ni sa may kawe ni Keynes ka me sa kawe ni kina na kaupi ka sando na kana nonda may chikungo me damarutaka na itikti bubu sa kongo iyo na bidang anak kau na biya baritaka kena matai ngo endo na itevo sa ngai da kabra matintu endo na industry bo sa mai tabu de chini koa sai koa na industry ko be batu ni chuan bimita kana kani kaupi ya sotalite Italia na kai lau bata chiku bata kana kaya na kau chuga kini karua na kena sangai menta taka bata na itoke bata kira na wekanda na India singni karorawa sangai menta taka bata wira na kanda na India chiku wira na kila chiku wira na ilabo ka matai ni ka ke to adakaba ka we ni orto na do tete na do boli merto lokain le vital no bate ke ira na do tete mai ra ka sangai kina me kila ra ona daba era bina kata so na lenga yado i onda sakila tu ya balate ni yendendre mende kila na bakasama vai toke wata kena bakasama wa India rua na matanggalin bula endui saranga ya yongo sandanga isanga chuma malungo me taka bata na tauke ni ken na tauke bata kira na turangan India dona karaba bimbita kana India ona be posto kata ona be tukunu chiko era bako kota na bangata ngele mata ngele mata bi sau choro chiko na TV ndona turang la taltala buli chigun de buli butukono ko no saka ulu tuwir na turangan India melambasa ngai tun chiko ya oi rango era wili ka tunangele me baka tuna chinan right baka tal tuna chinan mada sau chiko dona lutu ni bimbul wana ngoni turangan na tuikuku mai kuku ngai buno chiki na tal ngas menusur tun tal ko na theology tal ngani lutu ba Kristo na baka tagingele me chinanda menta wili ka chiko na ngele me chinanda ko ya ndo tal ngau sangero tal bandu ka bongi te usar ba bambimbi mo reda na ken ro sema bata na bi talano ko ta sa chingu ko ngone bibikina non sa me re tuni ko en don tubu bo kada ka no ni matintu me sangai me da ka bata kenda singi ro di tos na bunungo kenda singi da ka bata kenda na India atigere toke ortonan do boli New Valley ra India kevi werna tei toke bol te tala ni balangi do tala kamba ni toke sa tumeka mani jeni New Valley ngone turanga ni toke da bata ya na kai bina ka tsinga matintu me na ngai lebeta da ke non rambulu ra kanda era tu bol ngai ra ni mani tiko mani do sa tsino ngoi tabila leka sember tibu kina no ngo bossa sa basa na ken li Mr. Vinesh Rai, the chairman of New Valley, directors and management of New Valley, representatives of our farming communities, our partners and invited guests who are seated here this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Isambula Binaka and a warm greetings to you all. It is indeed a pleasure to join you this afternoon here in Nandi for the soft launch of the New Valley's frozen export produce and cold chain facility. I wish to sincerely thank Mr. Rai and the team at New Valley for the kind invitation to officiate at this important milestone, not only for your company, but for Fiji's agricultural and export sector as a whole. Today we celebrate a vision, we celebrate investment, we celebrate the partnership between the various partners who are here, and more importantly, we celebrate the value adding. For too long, our agriculture sector has focused primarily on exporting raw produce. While this has sustained many livelihoods, we know that the real opportunity lies in the processing, packaging, and branding, and exporting of finished products that command high returns in the international markets. New Valley's initiative to process and export premium frozen cassava, taro, and cowpea is a strong example of how we can move up the value chain. This facility demonstrates that Fiji is capable of meeting international standards, quality control, quality storage, food safety, and logistics that we are serious about competing globally. Strengthening our farmers. At the heart of this investment are our farmers. Behind every shipment is a hardworking farmer who wakes up early, tills the land, and feeds our nation. When companies like New Valley create stable export pathways, they create predictable markets. When farmers have access to predictable markets, they have confidence to plant more, invest more, and improve quality. This is how the rural economies grow. This is how we empower communities. This is how agriculture becomes not only just subsistence, but a commercial venture that will catalyze and boost economic activity in our rural communities. Cold chain. The development of this modern cold chain is particularly significant. Post-harvest losses have always been one of the biggest challenges in agriculture. Without proper storage and temperature control, farmers lose out both product and income. By investing in freezing cold chain technology, New Valley is reducing post-harvest losses. It extends product life and open access to distant and premium markets. At the same time, enhances Fiji's reputation for reliability. This is exactly the type of innovation we must encourage across the country. Supporting national priorities. As government, we continue to emphasize economic diversification, food security, export expansion, private sector, export-led growth, and support for small and medium enterprises. Initiatives such as this align strongly with our national development priorities. They complement our broader vision of transforming agriculture into a modern, resilient, and export-driven sector. When the private sector invests in processing and export capability, it strengthens our foreign exchange earnings. Your government will continue to support innovative businesses such as this. While Fiji is known for its tourism and natural beauty, we must also strive to be known for a country that produces quality agriculture products. By exporting premium agriculture products, we are not only shipping food, we are exporting a piece of Fiji's identity. And when the product arrives in overseas supermarkets and homes, it carries with it its story of our farmers, our land, and our commitment to quality. Today we venture into a new stream of sustainable production and supply, venturing into export of cowpeas, a feat made possible through the support of the government of India. And I really wish to acknowledge the government of India for its support with the provision of 5 tons of cowpea seeds in August. And 6 months, we are already reaping the reward. Call for partnership. Not a single entity can transform agriculture alone, but together we here, as a result of the partnership we have formed. New Valley, our partners in overseas, and the farmers in the rural areas, and government. And I wish to emphasize that government was just here to facilitate. Government to provide the enabling environment to ensure that the private sector will thrive, and government to support where MSMEs cannot operate. As a result, we are providing all that support through the roads that government has constructed, providing power to this facility, perhaps the assistance provided here. Those are not the role of government. And of course, I would like to thank everyone that has contributed, and all the various partners, particularly Mr. Tikiko Kordawiri, who is here today, the Managing Director of Compassion Community Care from Darwin, Mr. Harapaka, Cargo Sales Manager for Fiji Airways, Mr. Ane Nayandre, Station Supervisor for Nandi, Bus Security, Mr. Polo Rakai from the FDB, West Office, Pastor Semi Tekaisau, who is here this afternoon, the Group Pastor at Christ Embassy Church Duvu, a rep from the Ministry of Agriculture was also here, our rep from the Shipping Services, Mr. Jonathan Lifo, Mr. Tibita Rubutemanda from PCDF, Mr. Janaka Ravindra from Iceman, Mr. Netanin Dokoni, our representatives from Rakau Peace Association, and also Mr. Likat Ali, Mr. Biju, and Mr. Eurishi, who are the directors of this institution. And of course, Mr. Naboutini Bunuai, CEO of New Valley, and our reps from Namosi, who are supplying the taro to us. So all these are partners of this new initiative. We have to forge partnership, and of course, government is there to facilitate the partnership between the various players. This industry, what we have started today, will expand into the not so distant future, when we have started, because all the elements of success are here. It begins with the private sector, farmers, and of course government. And I am of course very confident that this initiative will be very successful. And of course, we will bank on our friend from Keynes, Mr. Tikiko, to do more marketing at that end, to ensure that we continue producing our product for our people in Australia. And to the team at New Valley, congratulations again. And of course, it's not easy to build such an institution such as this. It needs courage, innovation, and to lead by example. May this first consignment be the beginning of many successful shipments to international markets. May this facility grow from strength to strength, and may our farmers continue to reap the rewards of value-added agriculture. As I had alluded earlier, I leave to you as a challenge: do not compromise the quality of the produce. Do not lower your standards. Thousands of farmers will look to you as the doorway to international markets. And now it gives me a great pleasure to officially open and declare the soft launch of the new Valley's frozen export produce and cold chain facility. Ebnasa Valeu. In the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, I officially open this new Valley cooperative cold room facility.
Thank you so much, sir.